This video is a confession. I almost lost my wife, and I will tell you why in this video. I know it sounds crazy because I'm a relationship expert for the last 18 years, but sometimes you're just a human being. And before to be a coach, I was someone that was very codependent. Maybe you know this situation where you cannot enjoy your life if you're not with your partner. You always want to give love, you always want to be with them just to reassure yourself, because you have a lack of self-confidence, because you think that that person is everything to you, because you think that you will never find someone like them again. So I was codependent before to be a coach, and all my relationship went to failure, right? It was breakup, sad and difficult breakup, continuing lacking self-confidence, continuing trying to overcompensate, It's kind of like, I need to give more, I need to always be there, I need to save that person. And at the end of the day, I was not able to create or maintain the attraction. So the women they felt overwhelmed, they felt disappointed, they felt like the routine was killing the relationship, and that's when the breakup happened. So I was codependent, and I decided to get out of this codependency. I decided to, fight my emotions, regain some self-confidence, just create some value in my mind and create an amazing relationship. What I didn't know is that when I met my wife around 10 years ago, I had created something special, because I fought the codependency, but I created something that was creating problems, not just in my love life, but also with my friends, with my family, and of course at work. And continuously, the continuous education, looking online, doing some training in coaching, in NLP, and, some love programs, I realized something very important that I wanted to share with you in this video, because most of the men will have this issue. You would think that he's an avoidant, but he's maybe not an avoidant. So why did I almost lose my wife? It's because in every single argument, or just, when you don't speak English very well, when I first met her, I didn't speak English at all. I was using Google Translate. So I just was having difficulty to express myself, but that was not the reason why. I was practicing what we called stonewalling. So you know what is stonewalling, right? It's when you will obstruct the communication. There is no communication possible. I'm right, you're wrong. I don't want to talk. So you start to be very, very cold. And so you will tell me, Alex, it's weird for a relationship expert to be cold in every kind of argument situation, or when someone goes against your opinion, because it's also something that I've seen with my team or with my family. And the answer is yes. It's weird. It's not a good situation. It's not a good behavior. But if we dive into the psychology, it was a mechanism of protection. Instead of talking and having these options to really feel the pain and to really feel my emotions that I was trying to put under the rug, the idea is I prefer to just stonewall, which means create a wall and no emotions. Cannot talk to you. I'm right, you're wrong. That's it. And so when I realized that, I told myself, wow, first of all, it's very important to change. And I'm still doing the job because it's something that is deep inside me and I need to never let go. So if you tell me, Alex, oh yes, I've done the work, we never do the work. It's a lifetime work. Personal development is a lifetime work. But what's important, and the reason why I'm doing this video, it's because if you're facing a guy that is practicing stonewalling, you need to know that there is something deep inside. He's trying to not be hurt. He's trying to protect himself. He's trying to basically not let his emotion get the best of him. If you tell him next time, hey, I understand, so take the time you want, but there is a moment we will have to create a communication that is positive. We will have to create a communication where we want to share. Because when a guy is stonewalling, which was my case, I had a lot of things to share, but I was scared to share them. I was scared to be, hurt again. I was scared to be dumped. She will leave me if I say everything that I feel. And so that was very interesting to me. That is the reason why I want to do this video, have a little cup of coffee with you today, because if you see a man that is stonewalling, most of the time, it's just that he doesn't feel that he can tell you what he has in himself. He doesn't feel that he can communicate, doesn't feel that he found the right words. So give him a little bit of time, but tell him, I would rather for us to communicate positively about everything instead of creating a wall, because that's when I feel that we are not listening to each other, or that's when I feel that I feel not listened by you. You know, I feel like you're just trying to avoid the real talk. And the good news is, when someone, I'm not saying that a good guy, because that will mention me as a good guy, and that would be very presumptuous, but what I can tell you is that when a person wants to make it work, we will always find solutions. If you're facing someone that really want to make it work, really want to be with you, really want to create an amazing relationship, whatever you ask him, he will do it. So have faith into this situation to overcome the stonewalling. Hope my testimonial today will help you. And if you tell me, Alex, I have any question for you, just leave a comment below. Okay, you will find in the description some resources that I created to help you. You have also the link for the private coaching, but just by leaving a comment below and just subscribing to this channel, you know that I will be definitely able to assist you, to help you, because relationship is not that easy. And if we can focus on your love life and make the right choices, we will get all the results that you're expecting. Okay, I will see you soon, ladies. Take care of yourself and stay positive. There is always a solution. Bye, ladies.